Look at this screenshot. We made $7,313. It was done using a completely beginner-friendly method that any beginner can do from anywhere on the planet, and they can be paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency. Sounds cool? Before we begin, let me take a screenshot. So here's the screenshot for easy demonstration. So when we see these numbers, we get excited. Wow, $7,000. It's a good amount of money for anyone from anywhere on the planet. But this is not the most important number. The most important number is this, 4,212. So what is this? These are the real people who got help from our videos, not these videos with cameras and microphones and recording ourselves. These are different videos that we are absent. In our 20+ other channels, we don't use cameras, we don't use microphones, we don't write scripts for our videos. We use our software Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. It writes the scripts for us, it turns the scripts into natural sounding voiceover, and then Epic makes videos using image, texts, and links. And when we make those videos, we publish them on YouTube, and today, I want to share something that I have never shared before. This account's, particularly this account's analytics. So let me take another screenshot for demonstration. These are the shorts of this channel. And you see the number of views? Very low number of views. Mosh, these are so low, 60, 40, 30. But together, they are 4,000 views. These are the people who saw our helpful 1 minute long videos and they paid us money. So why did they pay us money? And how come any beginner can do it? How come you do it starting today using Epic? Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And the only one way we can achieve this goal is with your help. All we need from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, SMS contacts, WhatsApp and Telegram contacts, and tell them that this is a good video. They can learn all this and they will get our softwares free just like you. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. Thousands of other people make money, and you can make money. So go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. Let's move to how to make money in this method. So let me give you an example. When I started to shoot this video today, I needed to take a screenshot, and I was looking for how to take a screenshot on Mac. And I didn't know it, so I Googled and I found, okay, so this is how to take screenshot on Mac. And still, it's not really much beginner friendly. Can you see that? It's just one window on top of all windows, and if I save it, it's gone where? On desktop and all those things. But in any case, I thought maybe it's the problem of other people as well. So why not have a look at how many people have the same problem? So I went to my favorite keyword and audience research tool, Ubersuggest, and I tried with the keyword screenshot and found, this is what I found. Again, let me take another screenshot. 1 million people every single month looking for keyword screenshot Mac, screenshot on Mac, screenshot MacBook, 90,000 people. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. All these people own a Mac computer. They are not poor. They are customers. They have money. They have credit cards, and they will use their credit cards if they need to. If you solve their problems using 10 seconds to 1 minute videos, which is called YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, these serious people will know you as a person who tells the truth, who gives them good information. And if they want to buy something, they need to buy something for their Mac, maybe a software, maybe a hardware, maybe an iPhone cover, they will probably buy from you. And that's exactly what happens to us. We make simple 10 seconds to 1 minute long videos. And yes, these are the videos. And right now, even I don't make videos. One of my team members uses 3 to 5 minutes of his spare times using our artificial intelligence software Epic. Link is in the description, free for you. And make these simple videos. People watch them. People trust us, love us, and they eventually buy from us and we make money. Now here is another screenshot of YouTube I saw the moment I opened YouTube this morning. And look at this. These authority channels like Chris Bumstead, like Ali Abdal made 53-second videos, 38-second videos. These are shorts. And they got 74,000 views and 19,000 views. This video is about Amber Heard and got, wow, 5.2 million views. Now, can you imagine how much money they could make from all these views using the same method? And trust me, they do. They make a hell lot of money. Can you do it? Yes, very simple. Help people with information that they are looking for, just like these Mac users. They have money, they're looking for solution to their problems. Build their trust by creating helpful and informative short videos. Publish them on YouTube. Put your links, affiliate links, promotional links, your website links in your description and in the first comment. When they buy, they will buy from you. Now, as you learn how to make money online, go to Udemy, which is a site where you can bundle your videos and upload them, and Udemy will sell your bundle of videos as online courses. Udemy has their own 103 million customers, and you can see 21% of their customers come from Google. So basically, you're getting customers from Google without even trying to rank, etc., just by uploading your bundle of videos as online course on Udemy. Here's an example. A lot of people have iPhones, especially the US people love iPhones. I don't live in US, I still love iPhone. Literally everyone wants to learn how to do better photography with iPhone. This person made $2.9 million selling iPhone photography course on Udemy. Learn from these courses, learn from YouTube, make short videos, bundle them up, upload them on Udemy. And publish those short videos gradually on YouTube and attract customers from YouTube. Link your course in your description, the first comment, TikTok bio, your Instagram bio. Tell your viewers to get your course. Give away your course for free. Look at this, there are photography courses. And if you go down below on Udemy, look at the price points. There are 39 free courses. Why? Because these course owners and these courses don't have enough students. They are beginners. They're attracting students, attracting ratings and positive feedbacks from their students. So you should do it too. Give away for free for a little time. In your course, ask your students for a good feedback and positive, high 5-star rating. When you get that, Udemy and Google will take notice that there is something going on in your course. People are loving it. They will start recommending customers to your free course. They will give you good feedback, 5-star ratings. That is the time when you start charging for your course. And look at this, even a $49 course can make you $2.9 million. All starts from your sincere interest to help people with the information they want and make short, simple videos using Epic, our artificial intelligence software that we are giving away for free to our YouTube users. Links are in the description. Go grab them, use them, and start making money from today. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover, and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and a real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section, and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections, and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And the only way we can hit our goal to help 100 million people learn how to make money online in the next 10 years, when you hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. Will learn, they will get our softwares free, they will make money, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your serial customers and clients. This is how we make money, helping others. You can do it too. Go ahead, hit the like button, share this video with everyone. If you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.